बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। Assalamu alaikum students, we are going to start our new topic, that is electrolysis. What is electrolysis? Electrolysis is the process by which ionic substances are decomposed into the simpler substance when an electric current is passed through them. For electrolysis to work, the compound must contain ions. Covalent compound cannot act as electrolyte because they only contains the neutral atom. Simply, electrolysis is a technique that uses direct electric current to drive another wise and spontaneous chemical reaction. Electrolysis is commercially important as a stage to separation of element from the neutral occurring source, such as ores, using an electrolytic cells. Electrolysis is also used in electroplating to make a coating of one metals on the other metal. That is also we can apply in the process of electrolysis. In electrolysis, we have a solution of a salt with the two electrodes. Electrodes should be inert; they cannot be connected. We can say that react with the solution. First is anode and other is cathode. The negative one is called anode and the positive one is the cathode. The anode is the negative or reducing electrode that release electron to the external circuit and oxidize during the electrochemical reaction. The cathode is the positive or oxidizing electrode that required electrons from the external circuit and reduced during the electrochemical reaction. Beta, we already discussed about the oxidizing agent and reducing agent in the previous chapter, that is the redox section, in which we studied about oxidation, what is oxidation and what is reduction. Later on, now beta, we are going to perform an experiment. We have a beaker, water in the beaker, then we have a salt, that is sodium chloride. We have a lead pencils that act as an electrode. One is anode and other is cathode when we connected with the battery. The connecting wires that connect the anodes and cathode with the battery. The other one is the battery source. We have 1.5 volt battery. Two batteries are there, so there would be 3 volt battery connected with the circuit. We put the sodium chloride salt into the water. The solution of salt and water is formed. We dissolve the sodium chloride into the water, connect the battery with the wires. Now we place these two we can say that electrodes into the solution. Better we fix on that on a cardboard. Connect the battery with the one that is cathode, that is connected with the positive terminal. Second one is connected with the negative terminal. Red one is negative and white one is positive. Now we can see what will happen. After connecting the battery with the electrode, look at that, better the bubbles are coming out from the negative electrode, that is anode. But that is the gas that is released from the solution. We can say that released from the solution. You clearly saw that these bubbles are coming out from the tip of the pen, and the few bubbles are also attached at the end of the tip. But that is all about the process of electrolysis. Thank you and best of luck for the next topic.